Guys, here in this video we are going to install the latest version of Windows 11 on an external drive. Let's begin by downloading the ISO of Windows 11. Open any browser. Search Windows 11 download. Open the Microsoft site. Scroll down. Here, select the ISO. Choose the required language. Click 64-bit download. Meanwhile, open a new tab and search Rufus download. Enter this site. Click the topmost one for download. After downloading, connect the external media in which you want to install Windows 11. Use at least 32 GB of pen drive. Here I am going to install it on an external hard disk. Open Rufus. Select the ISO which we have recently downloaded. In the case of MBR or GPT, open Run and type diskpart. Here, type list disk and hit enter. In my case, disk 1 is the external drive as it has 232 GB of storage. If this symbol is present, it means it's GPT, else it's MBR. Type any desired name for the volume label. Click Start and select the Windows version you want. Make sure these all remain checked. Now, it's time to boot from the external device. We can directly enter the BIOS through the BIOS key or from Advanced Startup. After you reach this interface, click Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, UEFI Firmware Settings. Click Restart. Guys, we need to find the boot sequence or boot order thing. Its location varies on different BIOS. In my case, it's clearly visible inside General. The last one is the internal drive, so the external drive is the second one. Thus, I need to keep it in the top place in order to boot from it. Also guys, to boot from the internal drive we need to keep Windows Boot Manager in the first place. We have successfully installed Windows 11 on external media. Delete these auto-run files. It's the latest 22H2 version. Guys, if you are watching till now, thank you very much. Love you all.